Hey guys, Gaming Central here, and today I'm going to be showing you the full tutorial on how to build my new mobile storage system. So let's go ahead and get right into it. This is the new flying machine that I'm actually going to be using for this. It's not the DocM bidirectional, but actually a one-directional flying machine that will go off in this direction. Is much more compact, so I'm actually able to store things much easier on it, since pistons can only push so many of these blocks. So let's go ahead and jump into this right here, and we're going to pull this lever and we're going to start moving along, and you can see that minecart with a chest on the front here, so we do have some baggage going with us as we fly over whatever sort of land you want to. And then off to the side over here we have a full storage unit which has two minecarts out on the front here that will be able to be stored very easily and consistently on that system. And the reason I can't actually fly on that one is because the boat under the first minecart will actually end up glitching out when you put multiple together, and that can actually really easily knock you off. So it's very difficult to consistently fly on that one, so that's why I'm not using it. But that shown, let's go ahead and actually kick off how to build this guy. Alright, so building this machine is actually pretty simple. We're going to be facing this direction as we fly. So let's put a piston here and then a slime block on the front of that. We're going to skip a block with another piston facing this direction, then put a sticky piston on the back. We're going to have another slime block here and redstone blocks on the top of both of those. Now we're going to put a fence on the front of this redstone block, and because it is attached to a slime block, it will get pushed along as well. And we're going to put stone on the front. Now, depending on what you want, if you want a cockpit to sit in with a boat, for one thing, you want to put the boat in like this. You have to kind of push it into the center and just get on those pistons. You can't actually place it on the piston, so it takes a little bit of pushing, and then you finally get it there. But for the sake of this tutorial, we're not going to be using that version. This is the version though. You're just going to have two blocks here, and then you're going to put a boat on top with a rail and a minecart storage chest like that, and that's how you build that, just like this. But we're going to actually be going for the full version right here. So we're going to add on two blocks here, then we are going to put down boats on both of these blocks, and then along the top we are going to run a line of stone to put the rails on. Drop the minecarts in just like I showed just now, and that's how you build it. So this is the full version. This is the two minecart version, but you can also use the one with a cockpit and have a minecart storage chest on the end instead of two. So that's how you build it. We can hit this lever now and it will go flying, and there you go. Now the boat is going to glitch out on the first one here. At least it likely is. It doesn't always do it, but most of the time it does. There we go. It's starting to glitch out and get stuck there. You can actually potentially use that as a cockpit if you build a really long platform to run alongside or something like that. But that is how you build it, guys. If you want me to build a larger scale one, meaning that you actually have multiple piston pushers pushing a bunch of these, I can do that, but you can also just build an endless line like I potentially can over here with this redstone. You can just build a bunch of these set up to the pistons, and when you pull back the block, it will update the pistons so they can go flying like I have done here. But if you want me to build a really large machine, let me know in the comments. I'd be happy to do so. I know how, so it really wouldn't be too difficult for me. But that is all, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I really hope this is useful to you, and have a great day.